Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this lip oil from the brand Sophia and Mabelle. I have it here in the shade Juice Bar, and this is a product that I redeemed ipsy points for. Surprisingly, this is the full-size product that is actually quite expensive. It retails for $19. So I'm glad I was able to get it for that good deal with my ipsy points, but it's cruelty-free and I'm just so excited to try this out on my dry lips. It's a hydrating lip oil, and I really have come to find that I prefer lip oils for my extremely dry, chapped lips over pretty much every other type of lip product. Over a lip balm, a lip mask, a petroleum jelly. So I have high hopes for this just because I love so many lip oils and I hope this lives up to my expectations. So let's go ahead and find out. I do think it's cute packaging, but it's nothing all that special. And I just can't get over how small it is for $19. All right, let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it does smell really nice and sweet. I think it kind of has that vanilla dessert kind of classic lip scent. Okay, I can't wait any longer with my dry chapped lips. Let's see how this is on them. And I just love the texture and feel of a lip oil. It's like a thick gloss. Oh, and this one has beautiful shine. Oh my gosh. And immediately, completely moisturizing for my lips. Any chapped, dry areas are gone immediately. My lips look smoothed out. I am so happy right now because this is really what I was hoping for. It feels so nice on my lips and it looks so nice on my lips. And this is going to be a quick, successful video because it was such a quick, successful application. It just immediately fixed my lips. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this. Such a perfect, I mean, realistically, it's a perfect year-round lip product, but what I was gonna say is that it's a perfect winter, cold weather lip product because I can put this on so quickly and easily. I can be out and about, don't even have a mirror, but I know my lips are chapped. Just throw this on and I'll know that my lips look perfected again. So this is another fantastic product that I'm so glad I was able to get with my points. Maybe it'll be available in points again or as an ipsy add-on, and if so, I really recommend it if you have dry, chapped lips. It's still just so small, I can't get over the $19 price to pay full retail for this, but I hope we can get some good deals in ipsy for this, because it really is a product that I recommend. So if you've tried it out, I would love to hear if you recommend it as well. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.